पूरा सीरियल अच्छे आपण आउट करबे जो कोन कोन ना पाखर रहिबे कोन हां से रहिबे अपन
My lord, to assist this honorable court, I have asked the newly who has joined as DCP, Mr. Minna, to assist your lordships only.
Yes. Please.
Because it is the last year before Puja.
Right.
He will hear everything. Your effort, man. No. It would have been delayed, man.
All right. So it's for the information of the bar that last date we appointed the Register General of this court as the nodal officer and Deputy Register Protocol of this court to assist him.
Yes.
And the reason is to ensure the effective implementation of the order.
Yes.
And they are assigned the task to collect reports from different authorities who are dealing with civic issues of Cuttack city, scrutinize the same, get clarification and further information whenever necessary, and submit a report. And today also they have collected some report, we will see that. But we are giving them discretion to visit any of the sites mentioned in the affidavits or information regarding the steps taken to resolve these issues. And that just we are adding to that. So
and they will also inform the local
right, whenever
police,
they will visit
also,
and if necessary that from the locality they also make an inquiry and just submit a report before us. Let us say a particular work you said that it has been already executed and there is some grievance from the bar that it has not been properly executed or something like that. Then we may ask the nodal officer just to go to this site and verify.
Yes.
And he may give that report accordingly just after verification. That is why we have given this that they have to visit. Now we are to coming to the next one. That is the condition of the road and other civic amenities. I hope that all of them are present. Okay, Mr. Das, you assured us on the last date to hand over the data of 44 wards of the CMC relating to the road condition and other civic issues.
CMC and also RNB.
Right. So that to Mr. Naik.
Yes.
So have you handed over it?
Yes, already I handed over.
And you have also passed it to the CMC.
I have also passed. My president gave 2 letters to us about the. We have passed it on to the appropriate.
Now, just Mr. Commissioner, Mr. Patro. Is he present?
Malasis is present. Sir, namaskar.
Oh, just Commissioner CMC being present. Why do not take it early?
Hello. 1 minute करिया पे तो कौन ना ऑप्शन आछि.
Mr. Commissioner, are you able to hear us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We hope that you have got the data of all the 59 wards which have been supplied by the Advocates Committee.
Sir. Right,
okay.
Sir.
So you submitted to us that the estimate of all the works have been prepared and whether the JEs have been entrusted to execute the works in all those 59 wards.
Yes, sir. सब जेई मान को सर काम दिया है 59 वार्ड रो.
अच्छा से जो 59 टा वार्ड रे आपण जो काम आरंभ हेलानी ना हबो
ना सर केते गोडा काम आरंभ हे जाई सर. हाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्क अंडर प्रोसेसर अछि ଆମର ଏଇ ପାଗ ତ ଏବେ ସାର୍ ଭଲ ଅଛି। ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଶୀଘ୍ର ସାର୍ ସେ କାମ ସାରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛୁ ପୂଜା ପୂର୍ବରୁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ କୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡ ରେ କୋଉ ଜୁନିୟର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର କୁ କୋଉ କୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡ ସବୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ତାର ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଆମକୁ ଦେବେ ସମିତି ସାର୍।
ସାର୍ 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 ଅଲରେଡି ସାର୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଅନରେବଲ କୋର୍ଟଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି।
ଗୋଟିଏ ଖାଲି ଟିପ୍ସ ଅଫ ଆଇସବର୍ଗ ଗୋଟିଏ ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର 3 ଟା ସାର୍ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟିଏ ଦେବେ।
ହଁ ହଁ ଆସିବ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମିଷ୍ଟର who is to furnish?
My lord, the list has been given to the learned nodal officer, but I have the hard copies.
Okay, just so list has been furnished.
My lord. Sir, page 26 of that compiler. Page 26, my lords, of that compilation.
26.
My lords.
These are the persons who are the JE.
My lords.
Okay.
The third column, my lords, their names and numbers have been given.
अच्छा, गोटे पेपर रे आज का लोकल डेली रे
My lord.
गोटे न्यूज आइटम बाहर मिस्टर दास प्लीज रीड इट।
ଢଳେଇ ଉପରେ ଲୋକ ଦେଖାଣିଆ ତାଳି। ରାଜା ବଗିଚା ଜାଞ୍ଜିର ମଙ୍ଗଳା ରାସ୍ତା ଅବସ୍ଥା ଶୋଚନୀୟ। ପଙ୍କରେ ପୋତି ହୋଇଛି ଟ୍ରେନ। ସହରର ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ ସମସ୍ୟା ପ୍ରତି ଆଖି ବୁଜି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଶାସନ। ପୂଜା ପାର୍ବଣ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସହର ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ ମରାମତି କାମ ସରିବା କଥା, କିନ୍ତୁ ତାହା ନକରି ହାତ ଚିକଣ ପାଇଁ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଓ ଠିକାଦାରଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ କସରତ ଚାଲିଛି। ଅଧିକ ଖରାପ ରାସ୍ତା ଥିବା ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ମରାମତି କରା ନ ଯାଇ ରାତି ଅଧିଆ ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଢଳେଇ ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ଫଟେଇ ସେଥିରେ ତାଳି ପକାଯାଇଥିବାର ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳୁଛି। କଂକ୍ରିଟ ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ତାଡ଼ି ପୁଣି ଉକ୍ତ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ତାଳି ପକାଇବା କାମ ଦେଖି ଜାଞ୍ଜିରମଙ୍ଗଳା ଓ ରାଜବଗିଚା ଆଦି ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ଲୋକେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପ୍ରକଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ମରାମତି ବେଳେ କାମର ତଦାରଖ ପାଇଁ ସିଏମସିର କୌଣସି ଯନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କର ଉପସ୍ଥିତି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳୁନାହିଁ। ଏପରି ସ୍ଥଳେ କାହା ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥରେ ଏହି ତାଳି ପକା କାମ ଚାଲିଛି ତାକୁ ନେଇ ସ୍ଥାନୀୟ ଲୋକ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ସୂଚନାଯୋଗ୍ୟ, ମୁଖ୍ୟ ରାସ୍ତାରୁ ଜାଞ୍ଜିରମଙ୍ଗଳା ଆଡ଼କୁ ଲମ୍ବିଥିବା ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଅନେକ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଖାଲ ଖମା ଭରି ରହିଛି। ସେହିପରି ଝାଞ୍ଜିରିମଙ୍ଗଳା ମନ୍ଦିର ଠାରୁ ଭଗତପୁର ଓ ପିଠାପୁର ଆଡ଼କୁ ଲମ୍ବିଥିବା ରାସ୍ତାର ଅବସ୍ଥା ଅତି ଶୋଚନୀୟ ରହିଛି। କଂକ୍ରିଟ ରାସ୍ତା ଖୋଳି ହୋଇଯାଇଥିବାରୁ ଗାଡି ମୋଟର ଯା ଆସ କରିବା ସମୟରେ ଧକଡ ଚକଡ ହେଉଛି, ଫଳରେ ଲୋକେ ଚଳପ୍ରଚଳ ସମୟରେ ଅସୁବିଧା ଭୋଗୁଛନ୍ତି। ଗଳି ଭିତରେ ରାସ୍ତା ଗୁଡିକ କଥା ନ କହିବା ଭଲ। କଂକ୍ରିଟ ଖୋଳି ହୋଇ ଖାଲ ଖାମା ଭରି ରହିଥିଲେ ଏହାକୁ ମରାମତି କରିବାରେ ନା ଗନ୍ଧ ନାହିଁ। ସେହିପରି ରାଜବଗିଚା ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ ସ୍ଥିତି ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ରହିଛି। ମରାମତି କରାଯାଉ ନଥିବାରୁ ସ୍ଥାନୀୟ ଲୋକେ ଅସନ୍ତୋଷ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ବଡ ନାଳରେ ତଥା MSW ଡ୍ରେନରେ ପଙ୍କୋଦ୍ଧାର କରାଯାଉନାହିଁ, ଫଳରେ ସାମାନ୍ୟ ବର୍ଷା ହେଲେ ଡ୍ରେନରୁ ପାଣି ଉଠି ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟରେ ନର୍ଦ୍ଦମା ପାଣି ଲହଡି ମାରୁଛି। ଅପରିଷ୍କାର ପାଣି ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଘରେ ପଶୁଛି। ସେହିପରି ଉକ୍ତ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ ପରିମଳ ଅବସ୍ଥା ଶୋଚନୀୟ ରହିଛି। ହୋମ ଭିଡିଓ ଲେନରୁ ରାଜବଗିଚା ଆଡକୁ ଲମ୍ବିଥିବା ରାସ୍ତାର ଅବସ୍ଥା ଖରାପ ଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଥିପ୍ରତି ସିଏମସିର ନଜର ନାହିଁ। ପୂଜା ଓ ଭସାଣୀ ସମୟରେ ଉକ୍ତ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ଦେଇ ହଜାର ହଜାର ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଯାତାୟାତ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ତେଣୁ ଏହି ଖାଲଖାମା ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଲୋକେ ଯାଆ ସମୟରେ ବହୁ ଅସୁବିଧାର ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହେବେ। ଉକ୍ତ ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ତୁରନ୍ତ ମରାମତି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସ୍ଥାନୀୟ ଲୋକ ଦାବି କରିଛନ୍ତି।
तो एई जो दीटा रास्ता कथा कहउछन जो एरिया रे आपनकर काम जो आरंभ हलानी ए एरिया रो जेई को ना कोन
ଅଭିପ୍ସା ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ
अभिप्सा पटनायक
ରାଜା ବଗିଚା ଏରିଆରେ
जो
ସାର୍
दीटा एरिया कोन 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 को ना जाना मिस्टर ना झांजीर मंगला उडे कोडा कहले
ଜାଞ୍ଜିରମଙ୍ଗଳା ଆଉ ପଡୁଛି ରାଜବଗିଚା।
जी
ଝାଞ୍ଜିରିମଙ୍ଗଳା
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ରାଜା ବଗିଚା ଏଇଆ କଥା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତ?
ରାଜା ବଗିଚା ଅଭିଶାପ
26, 27, 28 are the three words in which Abhishek Patnaik J is in charge.
So where is he? That Habib Sah means acha is agent. Where is that man?
Number what?
Office number 1, sir. Particularly office number.
My lord.
And the compilation that you have handed over to the court,
My lord.
if it is ward number 27,
My lord.
20, in ward number 27, you say that roads is in good condition. And if you see that whole entire compilation,
My lord.
from serial number 3 to 10,
My lord.
it was supposed to be over by this day. That is what you have said.
My lord.
Then serial number 16 to 28, that will be over by 4:10. That is by tomorrow.
No.
Is it correct?
No.
There's something called Fool's Paradise. Where is Mr. Commissioner?
Is there on VC?
Why he is not coming onto the screen? Why he is playing Mr. India?
କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
VC ରେ ଯଦି ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି, we'll request him to come to the court. You give a handover a document to the court that the road condition is good, and this is the ground reality that all of us now just read. And who is going to certify this quality control?
you just remember on the last day this Veer Vikram Yadav, the principal secretary past department, we also pointed out to him about that another news item published, that is ढଳେଇ ଉପରେ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ସେଟା ଯୋଉ ବାହାର ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଟମ ବାହାର ହଁ ରାତିର ପିଛୁ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠି ଯାଉଛି
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପାଖରେ
ସିଏ ଆମକୁ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ that he assured us that the repair works of the roads of the city would be closely monitored and the complaint regarding the quality of work shall be looked into and necessary corrective measures are to be taken. This was the statement of your principal secretary works department. Now this is the state of affairs. ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଲିଖିଥିଲେ ଆଜି ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ that the roads are in good condition. ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରୋଡ ସେ ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର 27 ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି roads are in good condition. ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଏଇଆ. Do you mean to say that the report which has been published today in the local Delhi is a false one? Then we'll ask the editor that you have published a false news.
Ward number 27, Mr. Udgata, he is in charge of that ward, my lord. He also telephoned me that in fact that road was totally damaged and nothing is done.
Mr. Commissioner, are you able to hear us?
sir
So ସେ ଝାଞ୍ଜିର ମଙ୍ଗଳା ରାଜା ବଗିଚା ବିଷୟରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଖବର ପ୍ରକାଶ ପାଇଛି ତ ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର ଅବସ୍ଥା ହଉଛି, ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଲେଖିକିନି ଦେଲେ ଯେ ରୋଡ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି ବୋଲି, ଆଉ 27 ନମ୍ବର ସେଗୁଡା 27 ନମ୍ବର ୱାର୍ଡ ଭିତରେ ଆସୁଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? And why are you not made it accountable to that junior engineer Abhishek Patnaik? They are to ensure the work, they are to monitor the work. Your work secretary has assured this court that it will be closely monitored. If it is closely monitored, then how this thing would happen?
sir
27 ward Mr. Udgata is there. Accept can you see?
এটা কোন এরিয়ার আপনাদের? জাহাঙ্গীর মঙ্গলা ওয়ার্ড নম্বর 20 এটা কোন রাস্তা উপরে?
This is the drain position and this is a dilapidated condition.
No, we are not drain on this. Drain will come. We are on this news item which has been published. ସେ ଯୋଉ ଢଳେଇ ଉପରେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ କାମ ହେଇଛି, ସବୁ ଖାଲ ଢିପ ହେଇକି ଏବେ this is not the
Where is the engineer?
Well, she is there also.
Sir, namaskar, sir.
Engineer there.
Namaskar, sir.
No, we are not concerned with the city engineer. As my lord, where is Mr. Abhipsa Patnaik?
that R&B, I think.
Abhipsa Patnaik. Mr. Maji say he's under your jurisdiction.
CMC, the commissioner's jurisdiction.
Namaskar, sir.
He is under the commissioner's jurisdiction.
Sir,
Where is
regarding sir RMD sir କାମ ଆମେ sir ଗୁଡାଏ substantial କାମ କରିଛୁ ଏଇ last 4 ଦିନ
No, we will come to you, Mr.
We'll come to you.
We'll come to you.
We are on this
Perhaps,
this
my lord, what has
work
happened is
of
because
CMC.
J's, my lords, were not directed to appear personally. Perhaps he is not there. That's the reason.
But the instruction has been now, you see,
The
the
list,
nodal officer has passed the
My-
instruction that they have to carry out in,
my lord.
and that is the reason why we appointed nodal officer.
My-
So, nodal
He's
officer
no less than
instruction
a
has been
Registrar
given,
General.
and that is a registrar general.
He is the Registrar General of this
He is
court.
the registrar general of this court.
What I'm trying to pray, my lords, submit, my lords, is that the direction, my lords, was for the city engineer, the commissioner, and the health officer to be present. My lord had directed that the list of junior engineers along with ward numbers to be given.
You have given this the list,
My lord.
and this news item also relates
Yes,
to
my
that
lord.
ward.
My lord.
And the report is road condition is very good.
My lord.
Good condition. The road is in
Road is in good condition. That is the report.
No, it should not be, my lords. Because my lord,
Then how you are submitting such type of report to the court? You are,
my lord.
Mr. Nayak, are you personally verifying that?
I haven't been.
So if you have not verified, so obviously you are depending upon the
My lord.
officers.
My lord.
So if the officers try to misguide this court,
My lord.
then what will happen?
My lord. It should not.
They will follow the consequences.
My lord. Absolutely. There's no doubt.
If the news publication is correct, if it is not a false statement,
My lord.
then definitely they are trying to misguide the court.
My lord. Absolutely. City engineer actually heads that particular division of looking after the roads is there, my lords.
So what is that Abhishek Patnaik? Ask him to join. Let us ask him that.
So Abhipsa Patnaik को टिके join करे वो पहले city engineer kindly please ask her to join.
Sir, sir.
All right. We are just passing it over. Let him join. Now we are going to Mr. Maji. Please bring him to.
sir namaskar.
Mr. Maji, are you able to hear us?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. On the last date, you made a statement that the restoration work of all the PWD road under your jurisdiction, under your division, will be completed before 5/10/2024. That means coming Saturday, and all these roads will be made smooth and motorable. And you also file an affidavit in that respect, right?
Sir,
So, are you
Sir,
sticking to your affidavit? Are you
sir ଆମେ
hopeful that these roads under your jurisdiction, your division, will be made motorable and smooth by 5th of October 2024? Have you carried out your work in that light? Have you taken steps in that light since you have filed an affidavit before this court? Last date,
26/9 ने ଦେଇଥିଲେ
26/9. We are asking that.
sir ଆମେ last ଏଇ ବର୍ଷା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଲା ପରେ last 5 ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି substantial କାମ କରିଛୁ different work ରେ different roads ରେ ଆଉ ତା ଭିତରେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ registry high court honorable high court ର visit କରିଥିଲେ ଦି ତିନିଟା road ବି particular ଯୋଉଟା ସେଇଟା ବି complete ହେଇଥିଲା ଯେମିତି ଯୋବ୍ରା maritime ରେ road ଟା
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ତା ପାଇଁ ଜଣା ପଡିଲାଣି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ସତ୍ୟ ପାଠଟି ଦାଖଲ କରିଥିଲେ ସେଦିନ 26 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଯେ 5 ତାରିଖ ଭିତରେ ଆମ ଡିଭିଜନରେ ଯେତିକ ୱାର୍କ ଅଛି ଆମେ ସବୁତକ ଭଲ କରେଇଦବୁ ମୋଟରେବୁଲ ହେଇଯିବ ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହିଲେଣି ସେଟା ସମ୍ଭବ ନୁହେଁ ତେବେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ସେଟା ହବ
ଆଉ 2-3 days my lord
ଆଉ 2-3 ଦିନ ମାନେ 8 ତାରିଖ ଭିତରେ ହବ
yes my lord
acha we are recording your 8th it will be completed all right दिन जो बार मेंबर्स गोटे न्यूज पब्लिकेशन देखैथिले जोटा कि हम जस्ट कहूथिलु गोटे रातिर पिछु सकाळ उठी जाउची हाईकोर्ट पाखरे आपण सेटा अश्योरेंस देइथिले जे से कामटा मध्य रिपेयर करिवे सेटा कलेनी ना नहीं
सर ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରି ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ସେଟା 5 ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ମୁଁ ସେଟା କରିଦେବି କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମେ ଖାନନଗର ପଟରୁ ରିପେୟାର କରିକି ଆସୁଛୁ ଆମର ସିଏମସି ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ଟାଙ୍କି ହେଇକି ଖାନନଗର ଛକ ହେଇକି ପୁରୀଘାଟ ଥାନା କଭର କରି ସାରିଲାଣି ଏଇଠୁ ଆମେ ସାର୍ କଲେକ୍ଟରେଟ ଗଡା ପାଖରେ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ କରିବୁ ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ରଖିଲୁ 5 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ସେ
ना ये जो
ପୁରୁଣା କାମଟା
आपनकर
ହେଇଥିଲା
एटा
ତାପରେ
होची तो
rectify କରିବୁ।
चांदनी चौक एरिया जो पूजा कमिटी जुरिस्डिक्शन भीतर जीवो ये काम कोन
ଆଜ୍ଞା
केबे सरीबो ताले पूजा पूर्वरु सरीबो ना नहीं पुणी
ନା ଏଇଟା 5 ତାରିଖରେ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ
7 तारीख भीतर ही जो
5 ତାରିଖରେ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା
Khannagar, when we enter the Cuttack city, ଆମେ ତ କଟକ ସହରକୁ ପ୍ରବେଶ
କଟକ ସିଟିରୁ ଯୋଉ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କରିଥିଲେ ଯୋଉଟା ସାର୍
ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲେ ଯୋଉ ଖାନନଗର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉଠି ବୈଷ୍ଣୋ ଦେବୀଙ୍କର ହଉଛି ତୋରଣ ହଉଛି ସେଠି ଗାଡିରେ ଆସିଲେ ଲାଗେ ଯେମିତି ଡଙ୍ଗାରେ ଆସିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଏମିତି ଏମିତି ହଲି ହଲି ଆସନ୍ତି ତ ସେ ରାସ୍ତା ମରାମତି ହବ ନା ନାହିଁ
ସେଇଟା ସାର୍ ଏନ୍ଏଚଆଇ ର ରୋଡ ଥିଲା ଯେହେତୁ ସିଏନବିଟି ବସଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ସମୟରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେୟର ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟ କରିଥିଲୁ ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଆମେ ପେଭର ବ୍ଲକ କରିଦେଲୁଣି ଆଉ ଆମର ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ସାର୍ ବି ଭିଜିଟ କରିଥିଲେ ସେ ଜାଗାଟା ୱିଥ ଏନ୍ଏଚଆଇ ପିଡି ସେ ଏନ୍ଏଚଆଇ ପିଡି ତାଙ୍କ ପୋର୍ସନ ଯେହେତୁ ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଓଭର କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ପୋର୍ସନଟା ସେ କମିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ
that is
ତରଫରୁ ସେଇଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରି
still under NHI.
ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଏନ୍ଏଚଆଇ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
Who appears for NHI here?
ଅମିତାଭ ଦାସ
No, no, see, କଟକ ଟାଉନ ଭିତରେ ରୋଡ ଗୁଡାକ ଏନ୍ଏଚଆଇ ଭିତରେ
ସେଇଟା ଗଣ୍ଡରପୁର ରାସ୍ତାଟା ଛାଡିଯିବ ନା ଏଇଟା କି
Adjacent to NHI.
adjacent
ତ ଯାହା ହେଇଛି ସେଠି ଏତେ ଭଲ ଗେଟ୍ ଟେ ହବାକୁ କଣ ଯାଉଛି ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଲୋକ କେମିତି ଯିବେ ସେପଟେ ଦେଇ ପାସ୍ କରିବେ କେମିତି କଣ ଦେଖିବେ ସେ ରାସ୍ତା ଅବସ୍ଥା ଯାହା ହେଇଛି ସେଠି ତ ବହୁତ ଭିଡ ହବ ସେ ରାସ୍ତାରେ
ସେଇ ଲିଙ୍କ ରୋଡ ଟୁ ଖାନନଗର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ରେକ୍ଟିଫିକେସନ ଚାଲିଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ ସେଠି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଯିବ ଗତକାଲି ବି ପିଛୁ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ଆମେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁସ ରାତିରେ 2 ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ଆମେ ସେଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁସ ରାତିରେ ରହୁଛୁ ମାନେ ସକାଳ ଯାଏ ବି ପୁରା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁସଲି ମନିଟର କରୁଛୁ ଆମର କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଚେକିଂ ପାଇଁ ବି ଆମର କ୍ୱାଲିଟି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଡିଭିଜନ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର୍ସ ଆସିକି ରାତିରେ ସାର୍ ଚେକ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
so please give a ring to that Mr. Amitabh Das he is appearing for NHI
he is also from that Khannagar area he is saying that just behind the macho market fish market
एकदम से काम बिल्कुल होउनी एबे पेपर ब्लॉक पकी सेटाକୁ
अच्छा ସେଇଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଖୋଳିଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ he is right ଯୋଉଟା ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ହାଇୱେ ରୁ ଆସିକିନି ଖାନନଗର ଆଡକୁ ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ଗୋଟେ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯୋଉ ଟୋଟାଲ ଉଠେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପିଚୁ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ସେଇଟା ସେ ପିଚୁ ଉଠେଇଲା କିଏ
ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ମାଛ ମାର୍କେଟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମେ ପିଚୁ ଉଠେଇଛୁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ପେଭର ବ୍ଲକ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ର 50 ମିଟର୍ସ ପାଖାପାଖି ହବ ସେଟା ଆଉ 3 ଦିନ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଲାଗିବ ଟାଇମ
ସେଇଟା କେବେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହବ
ଆଉ 2-3 ବାଇ 3rd ବାଇ 5th or 6th କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଯିବ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ସବୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଆମେ ଟିପିକି ରଖୁଛୁ ଏଠି ଖାନନଗର ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ସେଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ରୋଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି PWD ରୋଡ ତାକୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ଜାଇକା ୱାଟକୋ OPTCL ଗେଲ୍ ଏମାନେ ଯୋଉ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ସୋସିଆଲ ୟୁଟିଲିଟି ସର୍ଭିସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରୋଡ କୁ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଆପଣ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ସ୍ଟେପ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ କେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କୋଅର୍ଡିନେସନ ରହିବ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କନସର୍ନ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କାମ ସେ ରୋଡ ରିଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରିବାର କିଛି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଡିଅର ପାର୍କ ପାଖରେ OPTCL ନେଇଥିଲା ଖାଲି ବାଲି ପୁରେଇ ଦେଇ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଥିଲା ଆମେ ସେଦିନ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭିଡିଓ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ ତ ୟା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ବନ୍ଦୋବସ୍ତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କି
ସାର୍ ତାଙ୍କ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇଣ୍ଟିମେଟ କରିଥିଲୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରିଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆଜ ପର ସ୍ପେସିଫିକେସନ ଆମ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ PWD ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ କରୁନଥିଲେ ତାପରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଜେନେରାଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତିଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ ତାକୁ ପୁରା ରେକ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 2 ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହବା ପାଇଁ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ଗଣେଶ ଆମର ପ୍ରମୋଦ ହୋଟେଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ। ଏଠି ଡିଅର ପାର୍କ ଟୁ ପ୍ରମୋଦ ହୋଟେଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେମାନେ କରିସାରିଲେଣି ସେଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ। ଆଉ
ନା
ସେଟା
ନା ସେ
ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ସେ
ହେଇଯିବ
ରୋଡ
ସେମାନେ।
ଟା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ, ଆମେ କହିବା ଇନ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ସେମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜାଗାରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସୋସିଆଲ ୟୁଟିଲିଟି ସର୍ଭିସ ପାଇଁ ରାସ୍ତା ଖୋଳିବା ଦରକାର, ସେମାନେ ଖୋଳିବେ, ତାଙ୍କର କାମ କରିବେ, କିନ୍ତୁ କାମ କଲା ପରେ ଯୋଉ ରିଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ କରିବାର ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେମାନେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କନସେଣ୍ଟ ନେଇକିନି ବା ପରମିଶନ ନେଇ ରାସ୍ତା ଖୋଳୁଥିବେ ନା।
ଏବେ
ନା
କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ
ହେଲେ
ସେମାନେ ଆସିକି ଯିଏ ଯାଇ ସେ ରାସ୍ତା ଖୋଳି ପକେଇବ।
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍, ସେମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମଠୁ ପରମିଶନ ନେଲେ ରିଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଯଦି ରିଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଟା ଠିକ ନ ହବ, ଆମେ ଆମ କଷ୍ଟରେ ତାଙ୍କର କାମ କରିକି ତାଙ୍କର ବିଜି ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରୁ, ଯୋଉ କସନ ମନି ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ସାର୍ ଡିଡକ୍ଟ କରିବୁ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ।
ରିଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ ୱାର୍କ ଟା ଭେରିଫାଇ କିଏ କରେ, ହେଇଛି ନା
ସାର୍
ନାଇଁ?
ଏବେ ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ, ସେମାନେ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆମର ଜୁନିୟର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଏନସିଓର
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ସେଇ
କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତା ଆମେ ସେଦିନ ଦେଖେଇଲୁ, ଆମେ ତ ସେଦିନ ଯଦି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ସେଇ କଥା ନ ଉଠିଥାନ୍ତା, ସେ ସେମିତି ବାଲି ପୂରଣ କରିଦେଇ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ ତାପରେ କାମ କରିକିନି।
ନାଇଁ
ଆମେ
ସାର୍,
ସବୁ
ତାଙ୍କ ପୂର୍ବରୁ
ଏବେ
ସାର୍
କଣ କିଛି ସେଠି କାମ ହେଇଛି ତ ତାର
ତା
ଗୋଟେ
ପୂର୍ବରୁ
ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି
ମୁଁ
ହବା
ତାଙ୍କର
ଦରକାର।
ଯିଏ
ଆପଣ ଯଦି
ମ୍ୟାନେଜରଙ୍କ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅଛି ଏମିତି କରିବେ ବୋଲି।
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍, ସେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସାର୍ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କର ଡିଜିଏମ ଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଟିଂ କରିଥିଲୁ। ସେ ନିଜେ
ହୁଁ
ଆଶ୍योର କରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ଏଜେନ୍ସି କୁ କହିକି ସେଟା ରେକ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିବ।
ହୁଁ
ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ଏବେ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଅଛି, ସରି ଆସିଲାଣି ସେ କାମ। ଆଉ 3 ଦିନ 2 ଦିନ
ଓକେ।
ଲାଗିବ ତାଙ୍କର।
ତ କୋଅର୍ଡିନେସନ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେପ ନେବେ ଏବଂ ରିଷ୍ଟୋରେସନ ୱାର୍କ ର ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଚାର୍ଜେସ୍ ସେଠି ଡିପୋଜିଟ ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଜ पर ଆଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ।
ହଁ ସାର୍।
ଓକେ।
ଆଉ ଏବେ ଦୁର୍ଗା ପୂଜା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ କୌଣସି କଟିଂ ପରମିଶନ ତାଙ୍କୁ
The
ଦିଆଯାଉନି।
same thing applies to CMC also. Okay, now Mr. Samant, city engineer. So
Sir,
sometimes, are you able to hear us, Mr. Samant?
sir.
ହଁ, ଆପଣ ଗତ ଥର ଯୋଉ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ରହିଥିଲେ, ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ରୋଡ ରିପେୟାର କାମ ଛଡା ଯୋଉ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ରହିଛି, ବହୁ ଜାଗାରେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ଜଳୁନି ଆଉ ପଟ ହୋଲ୍ସ ରହିଛି, ସେ ବିଷୟକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣ ତଦବିର କରିବେ। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କଂକ୍ରିଟ ସ୍ଲାବ ପକେଇକି ଯୋଉ ଡ୍ରେନ କୁ କଭର କରିବେ, ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ କେମିତି ଓଳା ଓଳିକିନି ପରିଷ୍କାର ରହିବ, ୟାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ। ଏସବୁ କରିବେ। ତ ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ, ଏ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ୟା ଭିତରେ ଆସୁଛି, କଟକର ଯେତିକ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ଆଗାମୀ ଆଉ 2-3 ଦିନ ରହିଲା ପୂଜା, ଏସବୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ସବୁ ଠିକ ସେ ଜଳୁଛି ନା କୋଉଠି ଯାହା କହିବେ ଆମେ ସେଇଆ ଲେଖିବୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ?
Sir, most of ଜାଗାରେ sir street light sir function କରୁଛି sir। ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଆସୁଛି ଆମେ ତାକୁ very within 24 days ଆମେ ତାକୁ sir issue ଟା resolve
24 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ ସବୁ କଟକର ସବୁ
ପ୍ରାୟ
ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ଜଳିବ ଠିକ ସେ?
ନାଇଁ sir, ଯାହା ବହୁ ଜାଗାରେ sir ଆମେ ପ୍ରାୟ ସବୁ ଫଙ୍କସନ କରୁଛି। କିଛି କିଛି ଜାଗାରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଜଳୁନି sir, ଆମେ 24 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ ଆମକୁ ଆସିଲେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ତ 24 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ ରିଜଲ୍ଭ କରୁଛୁ sir। ଆଉ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ team
ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମୋର ସେଇଆ ନଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା। ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମୋର ଥିଲା, କଟକର ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ଆସୁଛି ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ଅନ୍ଧାର ହେଇ ରହିଛି, ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ଜଳୁ ନାହିଁ।
sir,
ତ ଆପଣ ତା ପାଇଁ, ଯେହେତୁ ଆଗାମୀ ଦିନରେ ପୂଜା ଆସୁଛି, ଆପଣ ତା ପାଇଁ କଣ ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ସବୁ ଏରିଆରେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ଜଳିବ?
sir sure sir, before ପୂଜା time sir ଆମେ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ଫଙ୍କସନ sir ସବୁ କରିଦବୁ sir।
ଆପଣ ଡାଟା କଲେକ୍ସନ କଲେଣି କୋଉ କୋଉ ଏରିଆରେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ଲାଇଟ ଜଳୁନି?
sir ଡାଟା sir ମୁଁ ଆମର ଏଜୁନ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋନୋମି କୁ sir ମୁଁ କହିଛି, ସେ ବାଇ ଇଭିନିଂ sir ଆମେ ଡିଟେଲ ଡାଟା sir ଦେବେ sir।
ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟିଭ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଆଉ କାହାକୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଷ୍ଟାନ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ।
ଆଷ୍ଟାନି କଣ ମୌଖିକ କହିଛନ୍ତି ନା କିଛି ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ମୌଖିକ sir କହିଛି sir।
ମୌଖିକ କହିଛନ୍ତି।
ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ ମେସେଜ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ କହିଛି।
ସିଏ ଆପଣ କେବେ ମୌଖିକ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ?
sir ମୁଁ 5 days back ରୁ କହିଛି, ଯେବେ sir ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ସିଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭେରିଫାଇ କରି କିଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲେନି?
ଭେରିଫାଇ କରୁଛନ୍ତି sir।
କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆଚ୍ଛା,
sir ସେ ଆମକୁ
କେବେ ସରିବ ଏଇଟା?
sir ପୂଜା ଭିତରେ sir ସବୁ ପ୍ରାୟ ଜାଗାରେ sir
ମାନେ
ଆମେ
ପୂଜା ଭିତରେ ମାନେ ୟା ଭିତରେ ଲୋକ ଅନ୍ଧାର ରହିବେ?
ନାଇଁ sir ଏବେ sir ତିନିଟା ଟିମ୍ sir ପୁରା କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି sir। ଏବଂ
ଯାହା ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେ କଥା କିଛି ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ନାଇଁ ବୁଝିଲେନି?
ସାର୍ ସାର୍
ଆପଣ ଯଦି 5 ଦିନ ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଜିକା ଦିନରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଡାଟା ନାହିଁ କୋଉ କୋଉ ଏରିଆରେ ଲାଇଟ୍ କାମ କରୁନି?
ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ଏନସୋର କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍।
ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ କିଛି ମାନେ ହୁଏ ନା
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କମିଂ ଇୟର ଡିଟେଲ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ସାର୍।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଟକରେ 59 ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଅଛି
ସାର୍
ତ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ୱାର୍ଡ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ପାୱାର ସବଷ୍ଟେସନ ସବୁ ରହିଛି ତ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଜରିଆରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଡାଟା କଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ ଆସି ଡାଟା ପହଞ୍ଚାନ୍ତା, ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ ବୁଲିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଏରିଆରେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ୱାର୍ଡରେ ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ ଏଇ ଏରିଆରେ ଏତିକିଟା ଲାଇଟ୍ ଜଳୁନି। ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଁ 5 ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସି କେମିତି ପହଞ୍ଚୁନି ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ଅନ୍ଧାର ଅଛି, ଇଆଡେ ଅନ୍ଧାର ରାସ୍ତା, ସିଆଡେ ଖାଲ ଢିପ, ତା ଦେହରେ ଷଣ୍ଢ ଗାଈ ଶୋଇଥିବେ, ଏଇଭଳି ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯାତାୟାତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ନନ୍ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଥିଲା ସେ ଫଙ୍କସନ ହେଇଛି ସାର୍ ଲାଇଟ୍, ଆଉ ଯୋଉ କିଛି ଅଛି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ବାଇ ଇଭିନିଂ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ
କେବେ ସାରିବେ ତାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ, କେବେ ଡାଟା କଲେକ୍ସନ କରି ନୂଆ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଲଗେଇବେ ସେଠି ରାସ୍ତା ଲାଇଟ୍ ଆଲୋକିତ ହେବ?
ସାର୍ ବାଇ 10th ସାର୍
ବାଇ 10th
ସାର୍ ସାର୍
ତାମାନେ ସପ୍ତମୀ ଅଷ୍ଟମୀ ଦିନ ଲୋକ ଏମିତି ଅନ୍ଧାରରେ ବସି ବୁଲିବେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ନେଇ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ତା ଭିତରେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସାରିବି ସାର୍।
ପ୍ରକାଶ ନାରାୟଣ ପାର୍କ ପାଖରେ ସେ ପୁରା ଅନ୍ଧାର।
ସେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଜେନେରାଲ ଡାଟା ଆଣୁଛୁ ନା
ସେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ସାହେବ ଆସିଲେ, that engineer ସାହେବ has come.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଜଣ ସେ ଆସିଲେ କି ସେ ଅଭିପ୍ସା ଆସିଲେ କି ଏଇ ଆସିଲେ?
ଆସୁଛି ସାର୍ 5 ମିନିଟ୍।
Okay, the moment he comes, you can tell us.
Please let us know, Mr.
So, you see, Mr. Nayak, we really appreciate the advocate committee is doing a tremendous work under the leadership of Mr. Das. And of course, we do not say that the district administration or the CMC authorities or other departments, they are not carrying out the orders. But since the more and more sincere efforts are necessary, because the people are facing lot of problems, and it is highlighted in different newspapers, electronic print and electronic media, and the lawyers are also there. That is why Mr. Das, we have told, and different from each ward, lawyers have been engaged, and that is the reason why we want to take data from the ground reality. These affidavits, which my brother is every day in every sitting, he is telling that this we don't want to decorate our records with affidavits. We want to see actually the works has been done or not. So to verify the ground security, that is why also we pass the order that our nodal officer can go to the site and see that if your officer is filing an affidavit like this in Raja Bagicha area, road is very condition is good. Now the report is this. So we can say our nodal officer or that the advocate of the concerned area to go to that place and see whether the media report is correct or your officer's statement is correct. That is the reason. So they are doing very good work, and the people are benefited by it. So some kind of more efforts are needed, right?
Absolutely. We need to be more proactive and do this thing.
Right.
Sir,
Okay.
small
So
matter.
when the man comes, that JE, Mr. Abhipsa Patnaik, please tell us so that we'll have some words with him. Now we are going to the next issue.
Sir, say,
please.
Sir, small matter. Sir, Tarun Patnaik is there. Right from MS Law College University is there. So, we can see the condition.
That road.
That road. Station Bazaar is the.
This you are giving towards Rahman Chakka?
Post office to
Station Bazaar. Very developing. People are.
That is coming under Mr. Maji. It is coming within your area or Mr. Patra's area. This station Bazaar to that College Square, let us say.
କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି ସେଟା ବହୁତ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ଥିଲା, ଏଟା ଲୋ ଲାଇଂ ଥିଲା, ସେ କାମଟା ଚାଲିଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ।
Yes, Mr. Maji.
ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା କାମ ଚାଲିଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ WMM ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଏବେ BT ଷ୍ଟେଜ ହୋପଫୁଲି କାଲି କିମ୍ବା ପହରଦିନ ଆମର ବାଇ 5th ସେଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଯିବ ସେ ରୋଡଟା
ସେ କଲେଜ ପିଲା କେମିତି ଯିବେ
ଚାଲିଛି କାମ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ସେମାନେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଫ୍ରମ ଦି ଷ୍ଟେସନ ରୋଡ ଟୁ ମଧୁସୂଦନ ଲ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଦେଇକି ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ଯାଇଛି ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ କେବେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିବେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ସାର୍ 5th କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିବୁ ସାର୍
5th ରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିବେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଭଲ ଲେଖୁଛୁ
ଅଲରେଡି ହେଇଗଲାଣି ମାନେ ମେଟାଲ ପିଚୁ ଷ୍ଟେଜ ଖାଲି ଅଛି ସାର୍ ପିଚୁ ହବା
ଆନନ୍ଦ ବିହାର ରହିତ 43 ଆନନ୍ଦ ବିହାର ଅପନା ନଗର 43
ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ମ୍ୟାଡମ କଥା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ବୁଢୀ ସେ ଦେଖିଲେ ରୋଡରେ ଏ ଟ୍ରେନ ସାଇଡ ରୋଡ ଲୋକ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ହେଇଯିବ ସେ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
now we are taking up the next matter relating to that
sir I ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ 43 ୱାର୍ଡ କହୁଛି
ସାର୍ 43 ୱାର୍ଡ ଅପନା
ନଗର ସେଠି ସାର୍ ରୋଡ ସାର୍
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ତ
ଆନନ୍ଦ ବିହାର ଡ୍ରେନ ହେଇଛି ରୋଡ ଟା ପୁରା ଖରାପ
it's all right there is no problem madam you are the madam you are the corporator so you are the best person to say why are you don't please come forward
ସେ ଅନ୍ଦେବ ଅକ୍ଷୟ କୁମାର ବେଉରା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
all right madam why
ସେ ଆମର ୱାର୍ଡ
it's all right you are highlighting the problems of your locality why are you hiding yourself please come and assist Mr. Das eta ko area କହିଲେ
ଅପନା ନଗର
ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର 43 ମେମୋ ଦେଇକି ସେଠି ଅକ୍ଷୟ ବୋଲି ଯେ ଆମେ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛୁ ସାର୍ ସେ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ସି ବି ସାର୍ ଆଙ୍କ ଥ୍ରୋରେ ଦେଇଛୁ ତ କର୍ପୋରେଟର ନିଜେ ବସିକି କରିପାରିବନି
43
sir Obisa kem sir
yes just please
Kindly have some patience, just wait. Ward number 43, Mr. Das.
43
Naik, this 43 doesn't figure at all.
ward number 43 है जेई की कहले
43 Aditya Narayan Misra. He is assistant engineer.
No,
no assistant engineer
ଆପଣଙ୍କର 43 ର status of road or drain ରେ ତ କାଇଁ 43 ନାହିଁ subject to correction
No money.
ଏଇଟା ତ ଖାଲି 23 24 27
ଆଜ୍ଞା
29 37
43 has not been given in this.
not been given
ସେମାନେ କଣ ସେଠି ଭଲ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
because in 52 55 you say that there is some ongoing work is there but 43 there is no mention at all
Doesn't figure in this.
yes Aditya
so who is to go to that place tomorrow and let him have a talk with the corporator he will she will show these places to and whatever repair work is necessary or otherwise that is to be carried out immediately
The assistant engineer who has been designated here,
what is his name
that is ward number 43 is Mr. Aditya Narayan Mishra.
Aditya Narayan Mishra
He is the assistant engineer for ward number 43.
assistant engineer ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ କରିଦେବେ during course of hearing Mr. The Learning the President of the High Court Bar Association placed a memo with photographs of the condition of roads leading to Madhusudan Law University. Who assured us that? Asha. Mr. Pravas Kumar Majhi, Superintending Engineer R&B Division Cuttack, assured this court that the road would be repaired. Steps have already been taken for repairing the road, and it is likely to be completed and made motorable and smooth by 5th of October 2024. Mr. Das also brought some photographs of the condition of the road in ward number 43, that is Aparna Nagar. From the list submitted by the Land and Council for the CMC, it appears that Mr. Aditya Narayan Mishra is the assistant engineer who is in charge of the roads of Aparna Nagar bracket ward number 3. Let Mr. Mishra visit ward number 43 tomorrow, that is 4th of October 2024, and in presence of the committee advocate, what is your good name, ma'am?
Pramila Mahan.
Pramila Mahanti. Pramila Mahanti advocate, who is in the panel list of that panel list achi na madam ko na Mr. Das madam ko na panel list achi. He is the corporator. Corporator, and she will show the roads to the Mr. Mishra, and immediate steps shall be taken for repairing the works within a week. Okay, these photographs are taken. Keep it. Please, route we are taking over.
Surrounded with water.
Please, please. Yes, Mr.
Road is also
I am representing ward number 10, Mano. This is the condition in front of Chandi Mandir, Mano.
This is my memo, Lordship.
For the last 2.5 years.
Ward number 10 no ki achandi Mr. Nayak ki dekhiye.
10
Parida. For the last 2.5 years, Mano, the condition is
प्रोब्लेम कौन है जे आगुरु सर गोटी दीटा रोड थिला सर से बर्तन गोटी रोड हला को सर सेवन लिखुचन सर पेपर रे बाहर ची जर सेटी स्टैम्पेड हे जिवो बर्तन सर सेटी 8-9 लाख लोक जिवे चंडी मंदिर को दर्शन करिया पे आ लंबा लाइन लागिवो एंटायर बुलिवे समस्त दशरा सर सेतरे न्यूज़
रोड सर पूरा कंप्लीट बोल ए रोड ता कहा ये अछि मिस्टर माझी आपन को ये अछि ना कहा
चंडी मंदिर सामना रोड ता
माझी बांकर अछि आ ता अच्छाटा
चंडी मंदिर फ्रंट रोड ता सर आगुरु जो थिला सर एक्जिस्टिंग जोटा चंडी मंदिर रो हमर चांदनी चौक जाउछला सर सेठी चंडी मंदिर फ्रंट रे चौड़ा रोड ते थिला फोर लेनिंग रोड ते थिला किंतु तापर जतले चंडी मंदिर रो जतले डेवलपमेंट रीडेवलपमेंट पई गोटे मास्टर प्लान तयारी करा हला से एक्जिस्टिंग फ्रंट रोड टा को तांकर मंदिर रो कैंपस रे इंक्लूड करा हला आ तार एगेंस्ट रे गोटे अदर रोड टुवर्ड्स सळेबळा मेंस वुमेन्स कॉलेज रो पडिया साइड रे हमें गोटे रोड ते 2 लेन रोड कर जोटा कि 10 मीटर चौड़ा रोड ते कलु
नै सेटा कहा हमें जानिया चाहूछु सेटा कहा जुरिस्डिक्शन भीतर अछि से रोड रिपेयरिंग करिवा पई
रोड कंडीशन भलो अछि जे नुवा रोड टा है किंतु डिमांड रहउ जे आउरी चौड़ा रोड कर दै
आपण एटू बंद कर दैछन्ती कोन गोटे सामने
सेटा सर ब्रिज कॉर्पोरेशन एंड आरएनबी दी जण चाहिले सर गोटे रोड खोलले दीटा रोड हबो सर ट्रैफिक कंजक्शन कमी जीवो दैट वाज
एटा को वर्तमान आपण परे जा करिवे पूजा पई कोन करा जाई पारिबो सो दैट देयर वुड नॉट बी एनी ट्रैफिक कंजेशन एट दैट प्लेस
से जो इनसाइड चंडी मंदिर जो काम करूचंती ओबीसीसी तांको तरफ रु कोन गोटे गेट बोध बंद कराई जे सेटा टिके मो नॉलेज रे नाही
गोटे पट पूरा बंद अछि बेली लैंड एडवोकेट्स माने कहउचंती
तीन बैरियर थिबो
तो have a talk with them and for this period till the Durga Puja is over ताकू किछि गोटे अल्टरनेट अरेंजमेंट बाहर करंदु सेठी
ठीक अछि
से रोड का
पर्सनली बोली
जाम हो कारण Mr. Das is telling correctly वो चंडी मंदिर को जो माने दर्शन करिया को आसीबे बा शेख बाजार देखिनी जिबे चांदीन चौक से ये रास्ताटा बहुत जाम हुए आपण एठी जदि ई टाइप रो ये करिए बहुत भिड़ा हो जिवो
ସେଟା ଅଟୋ ଆଉ କାର ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇକି ଲାଇନ
ना
ଲାଗିଥିବ।
ना ना ये
ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ପର୍ସନାଲି ଦେଖିବି ଯାଇକି।
alright
ସାର୍ ସେଟା ବ୍ରିଜ କର୍ପୋରେସନ ଆଉ ଆରଏନବି ଦି ଜଣ ବସିକି that can be
अच्छा
solved.
just a minute Bridge Corporation
OBC
Odisha Bridge,
BC
ବ୍ରିଜ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ।
ମନ୍ଦିର କାମଟା ସେମାନେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା
Yes,
ହଁ ସାର୍ ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ
लेखନ୍ତୁ
yeah,
Mr. Patnaik just see that
yes, I have told because that is a traffic problem. I have
Ah.
told the DCP to contact both.
नहीं से जो ब्लॉक से होची ना से
I
रास्ता
have gone there. Every day I am going. Every day my lord,
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ସମିଶନ ଅଛି ସାର୍,
new base.
ଗୋଟେ ସମିଶନ।
अच्छा
That tin ये has to be removed.
से यही कहउछन
Yes, yes.
तो लेखନ୍ତୁ during hearing the advocate committee brought to the notice of the court the condition of the road in front of Chandi Mandir and where it is mentioned that due to blocking of the road the traffic there is likelihood of traffic congestion in the during the puja during the during the Dasara festivity and immediate steps are required to be taken. The Mr. Let the government advocate coordinate between the R&B division, that is superintending engineer R&B division and the OBCC na
OBCC and Bridge Corporation.
Yes. To see that
BCC is the bridge corporation.
and R&B division to see that the obstruction, if any, be removed so that there would be no problem for smooth passage
During the puja.
Like this report is taken on.
ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର 12 ମ୍ୟାଡାମଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର 3 CDA ସାର୍ ଏକଦମ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜିଂ ସେଟା ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଗଲା କେତେ ପାଣି ହେଇଛି ଦେଖୁଛ ଏଟା ବାର ସେ ଏକଟି ସାର୍ ସେଟା କୋଣ ସେଟା ଟେରିସ୍ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ତିନି ନା ଗୋଟେ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Miss Patnaik is
ଏଟା
Miss
ହଉଛି
Odisha Patnaik is here.
ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଚଣ୍ଡୀ ମନ୍ଦିରଟା ସେଟା କୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡରେ
ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର 10
ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଏଟା ବାର
ଏଟା କଣ ଡେ ଏଟା କୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡର କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ରାସ୍ତା ଖରାପ
ସେ ସବୁ ସାର୍ ପାଣି ବର୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ଗଦା ହେଇଛି ମଶା ବି ହବ ଏଟା
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ similar complaints have been made regarding the condition of the ward in respect of ward number 3 advocates committee has filed ward number 3 tapra out
section 13 million is very worst condition
ward number 12 थोड़ा देखिए ward
तारिणी मंदिर
13 million
CDA section 30 relating to the water logging and road condition
water logging and so
तारिणी मंदिर
light has not been given to the
तारिणी मंदिर ward number 6
Both sides were standard.
ward number
Thousands of families they are suffering.
But see, we have attached photographs also. The situation is precarious in your Tarini Mandir.
6 actually pura 6 and 7 6 and 7
12 ଟା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ତ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଗଲା ଏକାଥରେ
Miss Odisha Patnaik will
and road condition है ना ଆଉ ଲେଖିଦେବେ so and so are the JE according to the report है ना ସେମାନେ assure କରୁଛନ୍ତି to ensure that the road conditions road repair work is carried out expeditiously
Work କାମ ସରିଲା ଆଉ କଣ ଚାଲ
ମୁଁ ତ ସେଟା କିଛି ସବୁ
Personal. I would
Okay,
to
just
tweet.
a minute.
Mr.
That Avishta
Patnaik is
Patnaik.
Mr. Patnaik is saying
Please, Madam Patnaik.
Sir, namaskar.
आज आमे वर्तमान केटा दियो गोटे बार प्रेसिडेंट गोटे वर्तमान आज लोकल न्यूज डेली रे गोटे न्यूज आइटम बाहरी राजा बगीचा और झांझीर मंगला रास्ता विषय रे हेडिंग होची ढळई उपरे लोक देखाणिया ताली 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 तो आमे हमकु इंटिमेशन दिया गला जे आपण होचंती you are in charge of that area, is it correct?
Sir.
अच्छा ताले ए जो पेपर रे बाहरी एटा ठीक बाहरी ना भूल बाहरी सेमाने कहउचंती रास्ता घाटर अवस्था बड़ शोचनीय सेठी ताली पका काम चली लोक माने आश्चर्य प्रकट करुचंती कौनसी ऑफिसर रहनांती से कामर तदारक करने जो काम चलची तेणु प्रश्न उठुची जे कहा स्वार्थ एमती ताली पका काम चलची तेणु कौन आपण कहवाकू चाहूचंती मैडम?
सर ये काम एबे सर स्टार्ट ହେଇଛି କିଛି सर सरीनी सर मु निजे पर्सनली रहिबी और सर हायर अथॉरिटी को गाइडेंस रे मु आउथरे निजे पर्सनली रही कि से काम को देखि कि 7 दिन भीतर रिपोर्टटा सबमिट करिबी।
नहीं काम आरंभ हेनी बोली केमती कहले आपण काम आरंभ हेलानी ना हेनी
चली छी सर
चली छी ताले ए जो हमको आपण केबे जो रिपोर्ट आज दाखल कले आपनकर सीएमसी कमिश्नर 27 नंबर वार्ड रे लिखि देले रोड इज इन गुड कंडीशन जदि रोड इज इन गुड कंडीशन ताले आपण काम करिया कोन दरकार आपन स्टेटमेंट रु जहा जणा पड़ची हमको जो रिपोर्ट ताले दिया है ठीक नु रिपोर्ट नुहे रोड आर नॉट इन गुड कंडीशन दैट इज व्हाई यू सेड दैट रोड रिपेयरिंग वर्क
किछि पोर्शन 27 में जाउची आ किछि पोर्शन अदर एरिया रे जाउची तो मो पोर्शन टा 27 ऑल सर गुड कंडीशन अछि आ जो गुडा सर अंडर कंडीशन कंस्ट्रक्शन अछि से गुडा को सर हम 7 दिन भीतर कंप्लाई करि दबु आ पूजा पूर्व काम सर सरीबो भलो काम होबो बोली हमें एश्योर करू।
ऑलराइट से जो न्यूज आइटम गोटे बाहर थिला लेखि जंग ताको हेडिंग कर दियो से इथरे से रोड कंडीशन ने सेटा रहयो on the last day when Mr. Veer Vikram Yadav, Principal Secretary Works Department Odisha, appeared through virtual mode, of the city would be closely monitored. The complaint regarding the quality of works shall also be looked into and necessary corrective measures are to be taken. A news item has been published today in Odia Local Delhi with the title as Dhalai Upare Loko Dekhaniya Tali. It relates to Raja Bagicha and Jhanjir Mangala area, which comes under ward number 27 27. Though the report has been furnished by the CMC that the road condition in ward number 27 is good, is in good condition, and Abhipsa Patnaik, the junior engineer, is in charge of that ward. In view of the publication of such news, we asked him to appear through virtual mode. We asked her to appear through virtual mode. She appeared and assured this court that the road repairing work would be closely monitored and good quality works will be done, and all corrective measures are to be taken to see that there would be no complaint from any source relating to the quality of work. The personal appearance of so and so is dispensed with for the time being. this newspaper clippings is taken on record. So ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ସରିଗଲା ତ ସେ ଯୋଉ
ସରିଲା ଆଉ କିଛି କିଛି ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା ହବ ଯେ
ଆମେ ସେଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛୁ
most of the words କାମ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇନି ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କମନ ୱାର୍ଡ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ
My lord, pursuant to my lord's order, you have visited sector 6, sector 7 and
ଲେଖିଲି ପରା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
my lord visit କରୁଛୁ ଆମେ with health officer ବାଇଲଙ୍କ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ରେ ଆମେ ଯାଇଥିଲୁ କାମ କିଛି ହେଇନି ଆଜ୍ଞା କାମ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ ହଉଛି ଗଲା ପରେ କାମ ହେଲା ସତ୍ୟବ୍ରତ ମହାପାତ୍ର ଆମେ
କାମ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲାଣି ତ
ମାନେ ସେ ଯାଉନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଗଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କାମ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ
ବହୁତ ପ୍ରିକାରିୟସ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଶଙ୍କରପୁର ତ ଭିତରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗାଡି ଗୋଟେ ପଶିବନି ହେଇଯିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଲସୋ
ତା ଘର ପଛପଟେ କୁଆଡେ ସାର୍ ଯାଇ ହଉନି ବୋଲି ମତେ
ତାଙ୍କର କାଲି ସଫା ହେଇଯାଇଯିବ ବିଜୟ
it is it is it is brought to our notice that the condition of the roads in ward number 39 which relates to Koko area de Sankarpur Dasasai how ko area achi ward number 39 ne
That is what ward number 36 no
Purushottam Malik.
It's not an affidavit, just a report.
No, but Mr. Naik,
what is this? What is this contempt? Is it filing misleading statement? Apanako ward, Apano Kouchandi, you are the counsel for CMC. You are telling that no work has been done, and they have audacity to file this type of affidavit indicating that this Purushottam Malik is in charge and the work will be completed by 4th of October 2024. What is this?
Casually they are taking up. Physical verification নহলে কিচ্ছু হবে না
Milord, unless the authority
just a minute Mr. Just a minute Mr.
Milord, visit to no we know how to take the strict measure but we don't want to pursue it for the time being because the works will be hampered. But don't compel us to take those actions against you.
Mr. Patra,
sir,
under whose instructions you have handed over this to your counsel?
sir,
and stop this. Kindly put instructions in place that the instructions will be there with the council 1 or 2 days before the matter is taken up.
Sir.
Henceforth, we will not take this kind of things for granted.
Sir.
At the last minute, you are handing over papers. No one is checking it up.
ସେ ନିଜେ ବି ଚେକ୍ କରୁନଥିବେ ନା ଆପଣ ଆଜି ଆଣି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ୱାର୍ଡର ଏତେ ଗୁଡାକ କାମ ଆପଣ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହବ ଆସନ୍ତା କାଲି ସେ ନିଜେ ବି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି
ନିଜେ କହୁଛି କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆସୁଛି କି ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି
ଆଗରୁ ନଦେଲେ express is misleading.
From the list submitted from serial number 17 to 28 it relates to ward number 37 and it appears that one Purushottam Malik is the JE in charge of such works and in the appropriate column it has been mentioned that the work will be completed by 4th of October 2024. However, Mr. Devasis Naik, Learned Counsel for the CMC, who belongs to such ward, submits that no work has been taken in his ward. It is a very sorry state of affair that the CMC authorities are filing bringing misleading statements to this court. This court will not tolerate this type of thing and in appropriate case may be compelled to initiate Contempt of Courts Act against the erring persons who are bringing such matter to this court. However, Mr. Patro, the Commissioner CMC has assured us that all the works of ward number 37, which has been mentioned in 17 to 28, will be completed within 1 week positively and it will be ensured that good quality of work is done. On the next sitting, the London Council for the CMC will apprise us about the condition of the road repair work in his ward.
28 ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଅଛି Mr. Patnaik Singh କହିଥିବ
28. The entire drain has been down, dear Lord. The building has been built up in a government lab, and the entire drain has been tubed, dear Lord. 1,200 people of that locality depending on that drain, dear Lord. That is coming in the list, I number 1.
Which ward it is? Which ward it is?
Ward number 28.
28. Show the ward number 28 of ward for the way problem they will address it. Hello? Please give it.
I see the list. I 13004.
Okay, we are taking up the so many issues are there.
Then that word 37. His name be deleted. My name is. He's the council for.
Acha, Mr.
There is no
S.K.
other
Sahoo
council except him.
Upon ward.
In the Harvard committee, Mr. Pal is there. So we will continue with Mr. Pal. But his name is.
Here the government advocate is a amicus also. We are also all
Mr. Counsel, from the day one, this bench has been crying hoarse that this is not an adversarial litigation at all.
This is what I am
So
saying.
everyone is an officer of the court.
Yes, my lord.
So there is no conflict of interest at all. I do not know why Mr. Sodangi thinks that there would be.
Yes, that is why.
If it comes from Mr. Naik, then we'll do it. I think Mr. Naik can defend himself.
Please. You see, there are so many things have to be done. Please have patience. Gote issue रे रही है बहुत काम करिया को छै. Now we are taking off.
Sir, Australian joining, sir.
Yes.
Australian electrical. Professor has joined, sir. He is having some submissions.
Subhuni, ଟିକେ ଜୋର କହିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Sir, Australian Prabhas Mishra electrical. He has already joined, sir. He is giving his submission, sir.
Assistant engineer, electrical, my lord, joined VC. My lord, he wants to say something about the lights.
No, we are coming to that. Say light kotha jo.
Again. So electrical, he has joined on VC.
Mr. Naik, he should have been ready with the information, not that he will taking a cue from the court. He will ask everyone will join and we will go on hearing everyone. Then we will be sitting till 8 o'clock.
He has taken up that he has already passed instruction to verify it, collect information, and the repairing work is a light काम मोड़ा के सब देखिए अंधार जेंटी रही बने हम ऑर्डर से या लिखिबो ये दशरा पूर्वरु ए सब लाइट गुड़ा को सब ये हबो रिप्लेस सब जोड़ा को पोड़ी जाउची.
Who is Mr. Behra? Who is there? Who is he?
Oh, my lord, he's from Watco. Watco, which is now as of right now is entrusted with the JICA works, the drainage. So they're there if my lord wants to ask any question.
Okay, last time, now we are coming up another heading. This is control of noise pollution, construction of huge mandap pandals on public road, footpath, erection of electric gates, decoration, traffic management during festive season. Now, when this matter was taken off on 26/9/2024, some London members of the bar expressed concern over the erection of bamboo structure within the perimeters of the public road, which were leading to traffic congestion. And the collector Cuttack had assured this court that immediate steps shall be taken by deputing team to visit each puja mandap to check such illegal construction activities on the public road, and if necessary, the license granted shall be revoked. So he also assured this court that a nodal officer is to be engaged by the collector. So we hope that he has engaged somebody because that is the instruction here.
The ADM is here.
Yeah, please come, please. Please. So down is that name that he has been engaged as the say what are the say ನಾಟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ. Mr. Umakant Raj.
Sir.
Acha. Mr. Umakant Raj, Additional District Magistrate Cutter, has been nominated by the Collector and District Magistrate Cutter as per his letter dated 39/2024 as the nodal official to remain present before this bench on the date fixed. That is taken on record for this. Hala? Now, Mr. Our nodal officer now placed a letter of DCP, which is addressed to him relating to this issue, and the sub-collector and SDM intimated the Commissioner Cuttack Municipal Corporation that Khannagar Puja Committee under Badambadi Police Station and Chandinchok Puja Committee under Lalbagh Police Station have erected puja pandals over public road and footpath, and which are leading to congestion of free flow of traffic. Then the DCP has instructed the inspector in charge of Badambadi and Lalbagh Police Station to advise the concerned president, secretaries, and other members of both the puja committee not to erect any structure within the perimeters of public road and footpath. So the DCP is here.
Yes.
So this is your letter.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we hope that the IIC must have apprised the concerned puja committee.
To notice it.
All right. That is to be noted now.
So in this matter, can I just?
Yeah.
I talked to the Santi committee members actually. They came to me. So by the time your lordship passed the order, the puja committee is done. Chandinchok and Khannagar, Badambadi. The structures have already been completed. They're bamboo structures. They want to file an undertaking with the court that this year, whatever happened, they will see that there is no congestion of road, no congestion of traffic during puja. Their own volunteers will assist the police and other personnels. But from next year, they will.
Nothing is coming on record, Mr. Mishra.
Yes.
If they have already constructed, this is the instruction given.
Yes.
And last time when we passed the order, that was at the just on the threshold. It was not. But in spite of our order, if they have deviated from it, and the report has come that they are going on and blocking the road. That is on that day also the people the
road blockage, your lordship said. But there should be no traffic congestion, so they will maintain that.
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ରାସ୍ତାଟାକୁ ଏପଟରୁ ଆହୁରି ମଡେଇ ଆଣିବେ ତ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ସ୍କୁଇଜ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ନା.
Not do it. Whatever things have been done till now, right. That will be maintained this year. Next year onwards, your lordship said.
No, that sort of affidavit is not coming. So
file it undertaking. Actually, they want to file an undertaking.
Let them file undertaking. There are courts also. ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଲେଟରଟା ଲେଖିବେ that the nodal officer of this court has brought to our notice a letter written by Deputy Commissioner of Police dated 2/10/2024, wherein it is mentioned like this. ଏ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିବେ sub collector ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଆ ଜଣେଇଲେ ସିଏ instruction pass କଲେ, and the DCP is present, and he has stated that the inspector in charge shall do the needful in advising the president and secretaries of those two puja committees to do the needful in that.
Sir, Khannagar ପାଇଁ somebody is appearing.
No, but we have
we are not doing anything. It is the IIC and the DCP is to take care of. We are saying that there should not be any hindrance to the public in taking their vehicles on that raid on during the festive times. So that's
traffic congestion hoboni interest hoboni.
no, you are not there. They are the best person to say. Yes, next. What about the erection of the electric gates?
But you
That-
indicate one thing, they will file an undertaking.
You just do, Thando.
The
You
dealership
do
may
one
indicate
thing.
that.
What safety measures have been taken? The superintending engineer, electrical cutter. We asked the nodal officer to inform him. Is he present today?
Fire and the fire ops. Fire.
Superintending engineer, electrical cutter action दिए?
He is the fire ops. He is the assistant fire ops.
Yes, fire estimate. So, you have to. We asked him why he is not present. We asked the nodal officer. So, what they have to do about this
Yes.
electric gates? They have to take the safety measure.
Yes,
right?
my lord, on 26/9,
That also
24,
indicated.
we have filed an affidavit. Fire officer, assistant fire, and they will. They have taken that licensing at that time. They will have to give a no objection certificate. Otherwise,
No, they have to take preventive
measures. Yes.
You see this electric gates, what they are doing.
I have seen that. I have myself seen
ରାସ୍ତା
that.
ଉପରେ ବା
ତାର
ତାର ସବୁ ଏମିତି
Yes, ma'am.
ପକେଇକି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି
We are more concerned about exposed wires, Mr. Bhatt.
Yes.
We don't want anyone to
Yes.
suffer because of electrocution.
That is there. Our affidavit is taking care of all that thing, and they will.
And whose responsibility is to cut these trees? You take help of ODRA.
ये जो रास्ता ऊपर जो इलेक्ट्रिक के ऊपर जो
କାଟି ଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା sir,
ନାଇଁ the problem ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏ ତ ପୂଜା ତ ସରିଲା ତାପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭସାଣି ଅଛି ଭସାଣି ବେଳକୁ ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ procession ବାହାରିବ ସେ ମେଢ ଉପରେ ବାଜିବ ସେ ତାର there are all 11 kV wires and unfortunately last year or the year before that there was a casualty, so somebody has to look into it.
Yes, ma'am.
There has to be a you have to clear ଆପଣ maximum ମେଢ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ସେତିକି ଯାଏ ଆପଣ clear କରିକି ରଖିବେ.
Yes, madam. That
ନହେଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ସେ ଗାଡି ସେ ଚଲାଉଛନ୍ତି ଗାଡି ହେଲେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିଫିକେସନ ନାହିଁ.
ଗୋଟେ କଣ କାଠ ଏମିତି ତାକୁ ଟେକନ୍ତି ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ସେ ତାର
ଟି ସେପ୍ଟ କାଠ ଗୋଟେ
ଟି ସେପ୍ଟ କାଠ ତ ଏଗୁଡାକ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରପରଲି ମେଜର ନ ନେବେ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଆରାଇଜ କରିବ.
Another incident related to this, what is happening in some places, that wire is also breaking. If
Yes.
Now, once that wire breaks, that entire area loses electricity. Now, what TPCODL is doing is forcing the people of that locality to pay for those wires. And until and unless they deposit, they will not repair. That is also happening. That is also happening.
Well, like we'll pass some order in relating to that electric gates. Now, Mr. DCP, this one affidavit was filed on the other day that all the IAs of Cuttack City, please come to Victor. That affidavit has been filed by the, I think, previous DCP, or I do not know who has filed the affidavit.
Yes.
That the IAC of Cuttack City have been directed to sensitize the puja committee and the general public not to play loud music during festive season, cultural programs, and immersion procession. And this was filed on 26th. We noted it.
Yes.
Now, on the last Sunday, it was the Ganesh immersion procession last date. And what we saw, everybody must have experienced, it is really shocking. The same type of loud music are being played to the inconvenience of one and all. there was no restriction. The police were accompanying those processions, and they are just silent spectators. So, what you are proposing to do for the upcoming festive season?
Sir, I've seen in last some days, various meetings have been conducted with the Durga Puja committees, and they have been sensitized, but that is not enough, sir. We have written to State Pollution Control Board also to provide us some this sound measuring devices, that how much decibel it is, and to provide us technical experts also. And I am proposing that we will talk with the DJ owners also, so that they can have some sound limiting mechanism. And I will conduct meetings with them.
You see, as far as we know, there are two. One act is there, that Orissa Fire and some loudspeaker something, and there is another is noise pollution. The rules is there, 2000 rules or something like. And the authorities have power to seize those loudspeakers.
Right, sir.
Okay, whosoever. And I think it is 60 decibel or something, that is maximum.
65
65.
65 decibels.
That is the maximum sound.
Sir.
But the way they are playing, it is just shocking. And it is just at the instance of this few people. It's not that everybody wants that. Some persons who are otherwise they want it, and others are not complaining, nor the police also. The procession. So say DJ को आपण जे पर्यंत बंद न करिसंती.
DJ sir थिला last in the DJ we found DJ was there. DJ they are playing DJ.
नहीं हमरे मु सेही पे कहली जे 26 तारिख दिन एई टाइप रो स्टेटमेंट दिया गला एफिडेविट रे. गणेश पूजार लास्ट जो भसाणी थिला एई गला रविवार दिन. से दिन जेमती बाजीबा कथा सेमती बाजी कि नहीं.
Exactly.
DJ, will it be, I mean, restricted DJ, or is it no DJ? We are all along been told that there will not be any DJ, Mr. Desi.
I thought, may I just...
that's what the government
bench today, the DJ, banning of DJ by the collector Jagsingpur was challenged, and after going through the judgments of the Supreme Court says DJ as such cannot be banned. But the sound, it can be controlled. That is the thing. So, the common parlance, we say that DJ means high sound, but DJ can be played at a low sound also. It has got the capacity to almost 400 decibels.
Do we have the mechanism to control that
now
sound?
We are getting it from the Pollution Control Board. We have asked two persons with that machine to come, and we will take action that I have discussed with my speaker.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି ପ୍ରସେସନ ଆରମ୍ଭରେ ବା ପୂଜା କମିଟିକୁ ଆଗରୁ ଆପଣ ନ କହିବେ, ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ ଯଦି କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ବିଭ୍ରାଟ ହବ. ଏଜୁକେସନ ହବ, ଇଏ ହବ, ବ୍ଲକିଂ ହବ, ସ୍ମୁଥ ଭସାଣି ପ୍ରସେସନ ହେଇପାରିବ. ପୁରା ରାଇଟ୍ ଫ୍ରମ ଦି ବିଗିନିଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଗରୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଏମିତି ଆପଣ କରନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ବା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ଏ ଟାଇପ ର.
ଆମେ ସିଜ୍ କରିବୁ ବୋଲି ଆମେ କହିବୁ. If it is goes beyond,
ତାଙ୍କୁ ହଠାତ୍ କିଛି ନ କହିକିନି ରାସ୍ତା ମଝିରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକେଇବେ, ଏସବୁ ଇଏ କରିବା କଥା. ସେମାନେ
the action should be uniform across the board.
Right. Yes.
You can't pick and choose.
That we have to want to seizure jodi heigala, that will be, I think, a better effect also.
Some people died.
There is a newspaper report that some person died in Kendrapada. DJ. That I have got the paper cutting.
So Patnaik, right under the nose of this Lalbagh, DJ was being played. And we have Sishu Bhavan here.
Actually, DJ is a sound producing unit, and the amplifiers are sound enhancer units. So somebody can shout as a very
Mr. Nayak, and for all the learned members of the bar, though there are several other issues to be taken up today, but we are because we have to write the orders, and so we are deferring it to after Puja vacation.
I have actually called the DCP because he just has joined.
No,
so that he will know what is happening in our this proceeding, and he's integral part of this process.
No, yes.
So
Everybody from,
assist the
you
court.
see, Mr. Nodal Officer, the purpose of engaging or nominating you is that you are to, once you know, you are present and know that these are the orders passed, you can just make coordination between that the court has passed this order, how far you have done this work. You can ascertain further, or you can tell them to expedite it. So you just can monitor everything. So that is why we asked the collector, and he has appointed. So you have got a responsibility on your shoulder to see that the court orders, it is passed on various issues. Today we are of course taking a few issues because of this Durga Puja festival, but from the next after Durga Puja festival, so many issues we are taking up. So you are to look
Mr. Patnaik said that CCTV also.
Yes, it is.
That
We have given
you have given it in your last affidavit. Take the puja committees into confidence, install CCTVs, and ensure that those DVRs they are preserved till the Kali Puja ends.
Yes. Okay, sir. With the 1 month actually. 1 month.
Once people know that they are under the CCTV surveillance, that will work as a deterrent.
Yes.
So preserve those DVRs.
Yes, sir.
My lord, before your lordship will rise, I have a prayer.
Small prayer.
Innocuous, small and innocuous prayer.
They are the most dangerous.
No.
ଖାଇବା ପିଇବା ଧରିକି ଆସିଛୁ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଖାଇବା ଦବୁ ଏତେ କାମ କରୁଛୁ।
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି କରିବା କଥା ଯେ ସେଇ ସବୁ ପରମିଶନ ଠିକ ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ଖରାପ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଖାଲି ସେମାନେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ବାଲି କଣ ଗୋଡି ପକେଇଲେ ହବ ବୋଲି
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ
ଯୋଉଟା
ଗଡଗଡିଆ ଘାଟ ପାଖରେ
34 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ସେମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ସେଇ ଜାଗା ବୋଲି ମତେ
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ଦେଇଦେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ କପି ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଫାଇଲିଂ ଦି ଆଇଏ
ସେଟା କିଏ ମିଷ୍ଟର ନାୟକ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏରେ ଆସୁଛି ସେଟା
municipality
as per law they will do as per law
we are only we our
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆମକୁ ସେଇଟା କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି
they will do as per law according to
And Mr. Das, there is that issue relating to cutting of trees, which are a danger to normal human beings who are passing. So, Patnaik, kindly look into that. No, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେଥିରେ you require machinery. ଯୋଉମାନେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି like Mr. Naik the other day they cut a tree because it's a tree, there has to be coordination. People don't want the tree to be cut. It has to be pruned. Pruning is what we want. Because the branches were likely to fall. They're absolutely hanging precariously.
That my lord will.
That I think fire department also they have the machinery. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ନା ସେ ଯୋଉ machine
Drafter.
Let there be coordination between them. At least before the puja, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଯେତେ ଷଷ୍ଠୀ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆପଣ ସବୁ କାଟିକି ତାକୁ ସଫା କରନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ଯୋଉ ମେଢ ଇଏ ପାଇଁ ବି କାମ କରିବ ସେମିତି ନର୍ମାଲ ବି କାମ କରିବ wherever there is a grievance of the puja committee, Mr. Patnaik, wherever the puja committee or the resident committee kindly just look into that.
Last time we lordship passed କହିଥିଲେ ସେମିତି କରିବା ପାଇଁ they have just started, they have not completed.
It's a good thing at least they have started, Mr. Chaudhary. Overnight it can't be done. Because over the proceedings you have seen Mr. Naik telling this court that we are in a low-lying area, you have to remain submerged.
My lord, your lordship, please to fix the time, otherwise it will be.
No, that
Before 13 it has to be done.
When is that Ravan Pura? ଆମର ବିଜୟ ଦଶମୀ କେବେ କି ବାର?
by 11.
Oblex, man. Oblex. Copy of your lordship.
So that's all for today. Thank you. DC, please.